Isn't it time to let go of your fears, your pain? When you let go of your fears and your pain, you begin to heal your life, your body, and your soul. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. Not to mention that I'm an 18th degree Grand Master in Yasui Teate Reiki. I'm also a Master in Rosicrucian Reiki. I am the founder of the Ruach Healing Method, which is based on ancient mysticism and the Kabbalah. So I've put a lot of time and a lot of study and a lot of investment into the idea that we can heal our bodies. We can heal our soul, our heart, our spirit. But first, before we do any healing, we need to soar high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. And that's what this channel is all about. It's about your dreams, your goals through ancient wisdom, through modern technologies, and of course, the law of attraction. Be certain right now, before you forget, subscribe and click the bell icon so that you're reminded of upcoming videos. We release one every day, Monday through Friday. So, a number of people have asked me about clearing energy. And on the full moon, we are doing a clearing and healing ritual. We'd like you to join us. It's free. Be our guest. You're part of our family. And all you have to do is go to clearingandhealing.com, and it will be on the full moon. You'll get plenty of reminders. And we'll have a couple of different times throughout the day. So no matter what time zone you're in, we'll find a time zone that works for you. Let go of your fears. You know, your fear has a way of not only pumping cortisol into your body, raising your blood pressure, putting a whole bunch of negative hormones and anxiety into your body, and over a period of time that can be detrimental and cause physical maladies. But fear also cuts into your energy field. You see, in the ancient mysteries, we believe that you have an energy field or a astral body. And if you cut your regular body, your physical body, there will be a cut in the astral body. And if you cut into the astral body through fear, through guilt, through anger, then there is a corresponding fear in the physical body. In other words, as the ancient tablet of Hermes states, as above, so below. So what you do to your astral body or your energy body, you affect your physical body. And what you do to your physical body affects your astral body. Now keep in mind that every illness, every malady, at some level, we attracted. Now, it's not our fault. It's not your fault, but at some level you've attracted this. I believe that if you attracted a sickness or an illness emotionally, mentally, or physically to your body, you can also attract healing, love, happiness, joy, forgiveness, and abundance. But it begins by letting go of fear. Now, most of the things that we fear in life never happen. They never come about. Yes, some things are inevitable, but most of those fears, I think they estimated somewhere around 8% of our fears actually manifest. So why are we investing so much time into fear when we'd be better off investing more time into love, into peace, into joy, into giving? You know, fear cripples the energy field, but it also cripples the nervous system, it cripples your thinking, and it can cripple your body. The same is true with guilt. You, and me, we have all made mistakes. We've all said things that we wish we had never said. We've all done things that we wish we had never done. We've all made mistakes. And to feel guilty, to punish yourself day after day, year after year, it can be very detrimental to your energy field and to your body. Let's take a relationship, for example. Let's say you did something very drastic and very bad in the relationship. There is nothing you can do to go back in time and change it. It's happened. You are in a timeline where once something happens, once you invoke an action or a word or an energy, it's there. So you can't go back and erase it. But what you can do is give up the guilt. Because, see, if this is the timeline, and here's the place where you made the mistake, and if you're constantly living here, this is the place where the injury, where the illness takes place. You need to get beyond that place, over here, to the place where the love takes place, where the healing takes place, where the happiness takes place. And no matter what you believe about your lack of happiness right now, or your lack of love right now, or your lack of health right now, that's just your belief. You don't have to live with that belief any longer. You can surrender that belief right now. Simply say these words: I surrender my beliefs of past guilt, of hurt, of pain that I have caused other people. And I am resolute in myself that I will not make these mistakes today or in the future. In other words, you're saying, I'm not going to live in this guilt anymore. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move forward. And I'm going to be resolute that I'm not going to keep doing the same thing. That's, if I can confess, that's one of the mistakes I've made, high flyers, is I've moved past a situation in life only to find myself attracting the same situation over and over again. And you've done that as well. I know that. And so the reason is that you really haven't moved beyond it. You think you have. Look at toys, drugs, sex, rock and roll, all of that can give you the illusion that you're happy and that you have moved beyond that point in your life when you were either very, very hurt or you hurt someone else. In other words, you hurt someone or they hurt you. Either way, whether they hurt you or you hurt them, you have to let it go if you want to begin to heal your life. You have to heal your life first before you can next heal your body and your soul. We attract our fears, but we can also attract courage and kindness. We attract our hurt, but we can also attract healing. If we can attract hurt, we can attract healing. In every area of your life, in your career, in your physical life, in your emotional life, you can attract healing. If we attract toxic relationships in the past, we can attract beautiful, loving, happy, edifying relationships in the future. If we've attracted anger and bitterness in the past, we can attract forgiveness and kindness in the future. So, number one, forgive yourself. Right now. Let's not wait till the video's over. Let's not do it tonight. Let's do it right now. I forgive myself for all the hurt that I've caused others. Number two, I forgive others for the pain and hurt they've caused me. No matter, people will say, well, Robert, you don't know how bad it was. You don't know how bad this person was. Trust me, I do. I do. But forgive. Forgive others. Listen, you're not forgiving others to let them off the hook. You're forgiving others to heal your life, to heal your soul, and to heal your body. Number three, make a dedicated, committed effort to connect with source energy, with infinite light, with God. Connect and feel the presence of infinite source, not only around you, but within you. And finally, you can write this one down below. From this day forward, I operate from a position of love. In other words, what is love? It's more than a feeling. It's an action. It's a commitment. Sometimes it's a sacrifice. It's a dedication. From this moment forward, I operate from a position of love. And that will help you let go of your fears. It will help you bring healing into your life, your body, and your soul. Now, I have one more thing for you here. Let's see, here it is. Rachel and I wrote this book a few years ago. It's been on Amazon. A lot of great reviews on it. It's called Magical Energy Healing, the Ruach Healing Method. And it does not come in the audio form or the shortened form because this is not a lightweight book. This is pretty complex. I mean, it's got a lot of diagrams. I forgot, Rachel, we had, was it 76 or some crazy amount of diagrams, a lot of pictures and diagrams in here. This will teach you how to start on the pathway of becoming a healer. It's not about attunements. Attunements are great. It's not about initiations. Initiations are great. It's about learning how to connect to source and bringing that infinite energy within you and sharing it with others. I know that you are a healer, and I know that from this moment on, you're choosing to be healed. Have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.